one of the things I did before I found out that, right before actually I found out that NYX did 2 transactions, was they were doing a free shipping day, and I took advantage. So, if you're Hispanic, you'll know what this means. Me quedé con las ganas. As us Puerto Ricans say, me quedé con las ganas. That I didn't get the, I really, you know, it was bugging me that I didn't get the Kiki and Lala, the liquid lipsticks for the little twin stars. And so I was wondering, is there like a dupe within WetnWild? I mean, because those other ones were like 40 bucks, and then WetnWild is just $5, and then it was free shipping. So, you know, after doing some investigation, I decided they still have these available online, the blue, and then their lightest pink, which I don't even know what the name of it is, but the lightest pink, and I could put it in the down bar, in the notes bar. And yep, it is the dupe. See, because she has turquoise. The only thing is, it's not going to have the dupe. It's not going to have that gold shimmer in it. If I really want a gold shimmer, I can add it. But that really wasn't, you know, what I was concerned about. I was just concerned that I wanted it, and I didn't feel like spending the money. So theirs is turquoise, and this is a blue. And then theirs is a pink, and this is like a warmish pink. So it still goes together, works together, and it comes out exactly the same. So from all of the pictures, I tried it and it works. And then I remembered, wait a minute, when you mix them together, you get this lavender color from WetnWild. But, you know, again, it depends on how much, like 1 coat of each is going to get you this color. But, you know, some women are putting more of the pink on it to give it a more purpley, instead of a duller, like a grayish color. So as a more purpley color, they put more pink in it. And it looks exactly the same. So I kind of felt really good about that. She did all of her all of her regular lipsticks, her poison pill lipsticks, into a liquid lipstick. Sorry, I'm like, my brain is mush. And she did every color except for the orange. She's just continuing all her lipsticks, so I'm not sure what's going to happen. She says she wants to introduce new colors. Not sure if she's going to introduce new poison pill lipsticks or new liquid lipsticks. But, you know, she has to give up stuff to have the funds for something new. And so, since she made all of them into the liquid lipsticks, I mean, that's really cool. The only thing is that those lipsticks are so cool. They really look like a pill. So, I'm not sure what's going to happen with that. So, anyway, I wanted to share that with you.